This is a Mazak Integrex 50, and it's a machine I trained a couple of guys on a few years back. A fairly old machine, but I found these videos and I thought I'm going to share these because they could be useful to someone. It's an interesting machine in that it's got the ability to have a live tool or a static tool, and they go in these different heads, and they're disseminated by whether they're odd tools or even numbers as to whether it's a static tool or a rotary tool. And then this head that you can see here swivels to select whichever tool you want, and you have like an extension to your T number that tells it whether you want a static tool or a rotary tool. Great machine, big machine. It's a T plus control, quite an old control, but still absolutely brilliant to program and really easy. So well thought out these machines were at the time, and they're still, even today, they're still rated as some of the greatest. Well, in my opinion anyway, I think they're just very, very easy to program, and it was a brilliant control at the time. You've got the tool in the spindle, yeah? Yeah, so you need to go to tool data. Yeah. And then if you cursor across, you'll see on the soft keys, measuring unit on, brings your unit down. Yeah. Always look first what it's going to do before you. Right. In handle, yeah. Measuring unit on. And then you can bring your tool into the play. You can use rapid, you can use jog, but if you use rapid, only come within a certain distance. That close. Use that one. Yeah, and then go into your hand wheel just for your final. Yeah. Turn your measure on again, up here. Turn on full measure. Yeah. And now you should be able to jog it. Yeah. Measure your Z first. Doesn't matter. Turn on your measure, that's right. Then I always feed it the wrong way first, then the right way, just in case you forgot to switch measure on and it'll go too fast. Do some damage. Yep, so I turn measure off before you can hand wheel it. Yeah, hand wheel it. Get away. How you doing? Should measure alright. What increment you got? It sometimes won't move if you don't jog it away after, because it's triggered. I come further up after you can. It doesn't matter. Yeah, the reason why I get you into that habit is because when you start doing it really fast, it's very easy to hand wheel it straight over it and glance it off. Because if you do it this way, even if you go into it too fast, it will still trigger.